Hello, parents. Welcome to our open house. My name is Mrs. Bitetzakis. I go by Mrs. B because it's much easier to say. A little bit about me. I have a master's degree from Hunter College, New York. I have been teaching for 25 years, and I've been at Forest Lakes for the past 14 years in second grade. Our school hours are 8:30 to 2:55. Please make sure your children arrive in time. We're going to be taking a test 3 times a year. It's a county test. It's called MAP, which stands for Measures of Academic Progress. They will be taking it in reading and in math. They take it 3 times a year, and whenever I get the results, I will inform you of how your children did. Um, Conferences, I'm always available to have a conference with you. You can contact me by writing me a note, emailing me, or calling the school. I'm always available. Another thing that's very important for you to know is if your child goes home a different way, they need to bring in a note. Otherwise, they will go home the regular way. Either you write me a note or please call the office so we don't have any problems with safety. Please make sure your children bring in a healthy snack every day. We eat lunch very early at 10:31. We are the first class to eat lunch, and by the afternoon they get really hungry. In addition to that, make sure they have a water bottle. There's no fountains at the school anymore. Masks, make sure they have an extra one, especially if they wear the paper ones. Oftentimes they break and they need to have an extra one. So I would appreciate it if you gave them an extra one in their backpack. Homework is 4 days a week. I usually give them 2 assignments. It's Monday to Thursday. And what we do is you've seen this already. They come home with their binder. All the classwork that we do in class goes in the classwork section so you can see what they do in school. And please remove it every night. Homework is in the back. Whatever they have for homework, they have to do it at home and put it back here. We go over homework every single day. And once we complete the homework, it goes in the classwork section. So that way, you know that we went over it. And if there were any problems, we addressed it in school. The planner is how we communicate. I write you, if they have a stamp, that means they had a good day. If there was any concerns, I'll write you a note. And please, if you have any concerns or anything you want me to know, write me a note and make sure you tell your children so they show it to me first thing in the morning. I've included a paper clip here, so at the end of the day, when it's time for me to give them a stamp, it's easy for the children to turn to that page. So that's what the planner is used for. Back to homework, they need to do Dreambox 5 lessons a week. So I advise you to maybe have them do one a night. iReady is also a math program, and they're expected to do 30 minutes a week. Reading logs is an additional reading that I recommend they read 15 to 20 minutes a night. They will be getting one of these reading logs starting next month. Please write down the title of the story they're reading and just initial it. And when they turn it in at the end of the month, they'll get a pizza certificate. Um, Pie sponsor, we could always use a pie sponsor. If you'd like to sponsor our class, there's always something we need. That would be greatly appreciated. I am sending home a handbook packet, which is a packet that includes all my class procedures. And on the first page, we didn't have Meet the Teacher, so I have included the letter that I would have given you then. And then the handbook refers to everything that has to do with our classroom. And the last page is a survey about your child. If you can fill that out and return it to me, that would be great. And the last thing I have included is a daily schedule. Your children will be coming home with all this information that I'm showing you. A daily schedule is for you. If you ever want to pick up your child early, you can look at the schedule and see where they are at that particular time. Again, if you have any questions, any concerns, please feel free to email me. I check my mail every day and I try to get back to you as soon as possible. I look forward to working with you and your children this year, and I know we're going to have a great year. Thank you.